Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add subtitles to a video. So there's a tool which is called web.descript.com, which is free for use, and make sure you will have logged in, sign up with your Google account, and right over here you will just tap on a new project, and you will just tap on simply video project, and you will just have to add it easily. So I will be just put some video sample for my desktop like this. This is a short video and you will have to wait for the moment when it's analyzed, and make sure you will have take the done button, and this is a tool you will may read it or dismiss. And right now when it's complete, so I will just show you how it's work. So basically the transcript is ready, which is there of the video, and I will be just tap on it, which is right side bottom is option is more. I will just tap on it simply, and there is the option is captions. So I will just tap on it with this auto captions, and from here you will just select the font style, and I will be just selecting this one. This is classic, and it will be applying. So when it was applying, and I will be just play the video.
Good afternoon. You must be Mr. Wang.
Yes, good afternoon.
Pleased to meet you. I'm Mrs. Clark, the bank manager. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
So, tell me a little bit about yourself, Mr. Wang.
Well, I grew up in China and studied accounting. Then I worked at an accounting firm there for 2 years before coming to the States.
So basically in this way you will use this tool which is called the script, and it will automatically generate captions and allows easy editing. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.